Hi friends, welcome back to another video of lettering variations. Today we are going to do the letter F, and I quickly showed you what all we covered in our previous videos. So if you haven't seen them, go check them out. I've made a playlist of lettering variations and I have covered till E so far, and I try to do one video every week. And yeah, so check that out if you haven't already. And how are you all doing? I hope you're fine wherever you are, wherever you're watching from. So we are here at Denmark, and I've been seeing some nice sunny days lately, which is so good. And yeah, the sun is shining, and it was the perfect day to film another lettering variation video for you all. So I hope you will enjoy this as well, and I will be lettering the letter F in real time, so you can see the process and how I'm making each and every stroke. So I think it's good to do that. You can follow along freehand, or you can get these worksheets, which are available to buy on my Etsy and also on my website. So all the basic rules apply to this as well. If you've seen my previous videos, I've given some tips on how to go about your strokes and how to make thin upstrokes and thick downstroke. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So I'm just keeping one thing in mind: wherever the strokes are thin, my pen has to go up, and where they are thick, my pen has to go down. So if you keep that in mind, you will start from the right point. And yeah, I went out of the line a little bit there, but that's fine. It still looks pretty, right? And were you able to follow along on any of my videos? I will be very happy to see what you have made. If there is a way for me to see it, you can always tag me on Instagram, and I will be very happy to see your process, which is very interesting to see how you are following along. So again, we are going nice and slow, more pressure on the downstrokes and less pressure on the upstrokes, and we are good. And if you have any questions for me, leave them down below, and I will be very happy to chat and answer any of your questions. Or you just want to talk in general, I'll be happy to chat in the comments. And we are done with another letter, that was letter F, and I think this turned out really nice. So yes, thank you so much for watching again, and like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you ring the notification bell, you will know whenever I post a video. So yes, I will see you guys next time, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Wishing you a lovely weekend, and I will catch you guys next time.